'Cause it's all white noise, swallowing me. Taking your high horse and I'll be free. 'Cause it's all white noise, swallowing me. Maybe we'll know why eventually. We see through the stars, burning in the atmosphere. Down the boulevard. Tell me what I want to hear, but you apologize over and over. You don't want to know. 'Cause it's all white noise, swallowing me. Taking your high horse and I'll be free. 'Cause it's all white noise, swallowing me.
Today indeed is a very sad day here in my household. I just killed my whole lawn. All the years and years of work that I put into it, all down the drain now. But alas, when one door closes, another one opens. I'm just a smidge late in my renovation for this year, but that's alright. This is the first round of glyphosate that I applied. I'm going to be doing another round or two before I start seeding, coming up here next month. I'm not an expert at renovation by any means, but I do want to thank the guys over at the Lawn Forum for their detailed step-by-step process of how to do a full renovation. So technically this is step 2 of my renovation. The first step was the soil test. In the next 10 to 14 days I'm going to be making a second application leading up until the seeding period. I'm going to do a Monostand Kentucky Bluegrass. The cultivar that I chose is called Bluebank. It's a new cultivar that's supposed to replace Midnight. And from what I've been reading, it's rated very well in the Michigan area, which is about an hour away from me. This is the first part of my renovation series, so I'll be updating you guys consistently about the status. I sprayed the glyphosate about an hour ago and I'm not seeing any burning or killing yet, but I know it takes a few days. I wonder what my neighbors are gonna think. One day I have the best lawn on the block and then the next day it's just completely toasted. I don't know, we'll see.